Today we are going to learn EVS subject. Chapter number 4. Class 4. Chapter number 2. Chapter name is My Extended Family. What is chapter name? My Extended Family. Extended family means uncle, aunt, nephew, niece. These all are extended family. The people with whom we live are a part of our immediate family. An immediate family includes parents and siblings. The people with whom we live are a part of our immediate family. The people with whom we live are a part of our immediate family. An immediate family includes parents and siblings. What is it by immediate family? Immediate family means those who are living in same family, they are living together, is known as immediate family. Parents and their siblings. Siblings means brother and sister. Siblings means brother and sister. Real brother and sister. Siblings means real brother and sister. Relatives of an immediate family are considered as cousins, aunts, uncles, grandparents, etc. These all are our relatives. ये हमारे संबंधी है. Yes, like cousins, aunts, grandparents, uncle. Yes, these all are our relatives. Relatives. Outside and immediate family are considered as cousins, aunts, uncles, grandparents, etc. The people with whom we live are part of our immediate family. हम जिसके साथ रहते हैं, from which हम किसके साथ रहते हैं? We live with our parents and siblings. Sibling means brother and sister, is known as immediate family. Family includes parents and siblings. Relatives outside an immediate family, like cousins, aunts, uncles, grandparents, they are not living with us. वो हमारे साथ नहीं रहता है. That is known as relatives. Uncles, aunts, cousins, and nephews who stay separately are a part of extended family. Extended family means they are not living with us, they are living separately. वो अलग से रहते हैं. That is meant by extended family. Uncle, aunt, cousins, and nephews who stay separately are a part of an extended family. Extended family means uncle, aunt, cousins, nephews, niece, bhatija, bhatiji. Okay? Nephew and niece means bhatija and bhatiji. Who stay separately are a part of an extended family. Means they are not living with us. They are living separately. वो हमारे से अलग रहते हैं. That is by extended family. Extended family may stay together for many reasons, such as help, raise children, support foreign kids, relatives, and help with financial problems. Both maternal and paternal families are a part of an extended family. Extended family may stay together for many reasons. Yes, extended family है. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. They are living separate from us, so they cannot come with us when they need. जब उनको जरूरत होती है, ऐसा नहीं होता कि वो हमारे से अलग रहते तो नहीं आ पाते. They can come for a reason. They need help, so we should help them. Raise children means जब छोटे बच्चे हो तो फिर उनको बड़ा करना है. Okay? जॉइंट फैमिली में होते तो बच्चे बड़े हो जाते, पता भी नहीं चलता बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं. जॉइंट फैमिली इज गुड. सपोर्ट फॉरेन किड्स वेयर दे आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल, जब तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती है तभी. हेल्प विद फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम. फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम में पैसे में भी कुछ उनको जरूरत हो तो वी कैन हेल्प देम. बोथ मैटरनल में जो मम्मी का जो रिलेटिव होता है दैट इज मैटरनल. एंड पैटर्नल में पापा फादर की जो फैमिली होती है दैट इज पैटर्नल फैमिली. एंड मैटरनल फैमिली में मदर का जो होता है दैट इज मैटरनल फैमिली. आर अ पार्ट ऑफ एन एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली. दिस आर अ पार्ट ऑफ एन एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली. नाउ मैटरनल फैमिली एंड एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली. मैटरनल फैमिली, extended family. Family members. Maternal uncle, maternal aunt, maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, now above extended family members. Uncle, aunt, then cousins, nephew, niece, these are extended family members and these all are maternal family members. Now we'll talk about maternal relatives. Maternal relatives means originating from mother side of the family. जो mother side होता है, that is maternal relatives. The mother's parents, brothers, sisters are called maternal relatives. Maternal relatives means mother side and paternal relatives means father side. Maternal relatives mean originating from our mother side of the family. Of the family. The mother's parents, sisters, brothers are called maternal relatives. Maternal relatives means mother's side. Okay, and paternal relatives means father's side. Paternal relatives may originating from our father's side of the family. The father's parents, brother, and sisters are called paternal relatives. Paternal relatives means originating from our father's side of the family, father side of the family, grandfather, grandmother, then uncle, and aunt. Yes? Then father, sister. Okay? Now some special family occasion. Special family occasion. The members of the family who do not stay together meet on family functions. Yes, we all are not living together. ये सब तो हम एक साथ नहीं रहते. No. So when we meet all together on family functions. हम सब मिलते हैं. जब कोई family function होता है, birthday party, anniversary party, and someone's marriage, that time we meet all together. तभी हम सब मिलते हैं. Yes, the birth of a child, नेमिंग सेरेमनी, नेमिंग सेरेमनी में जब भी बच्चा थोड़ा बड़ा होता है फिर उसका नेम रखते हैं ना, नामकरण, दैट इज नेमिंग सेरेमनी. बर्थडे, मैरिज, यस, व्हेन वी ऑल मेक बर्थ ऑफ चाइल्ड, जब भी वो बच्चे का जन्म होता है तब. When the child gets birth, that time we all meet. Then a naming ceremony. Naming ceremony means नामकरण, birthday, then any marriage function, festival, and a house warming ceremony. Are some occasions that all family members celebrate together. The members of the family who do not stay together, they all meet on some special festival, on some special occasion. When the child gets birth, तभी बच्चा जन्म लेता है तब. नेमिंग सेरेमनी, नेमिंग सेरेमनी में नामकरण, उनका नेम रखता है ना, जब बच्चे का बॉर्न होता है फिर उनका नेम रखता है आफ्टर फ्यू डेज. देन बर्थडे, then marriage, festival, and the housewarming ceremony. Housewarming ceremony means we are taking a new house. That time we are doing havan and all, that vastu, that is housewarming ceremony. Are some occasions that all family members celebrate together. Yes, these are some occasions that family members celebrate together. Sometimes grandparents need a little help to maximize the fun and minimize the stress. Special food is being prepared for the occasion. We also share our joys and sorrows with our relatives. Yes? जब भी कोई फंक्शन होता है हम सुख दुख की बात करते हैं. जब भी कोई फंक्शन होता है हमारे relatives आते हैं. That time we talk everything, joy and sorrow. Sorrow means unhappiness. Joy means खुश, हम खुश होते हैं. Yes, we are happy when there are some function at our house. That time we all are happy. Sometimes grandparents need a little help to maximize the fun. कभी कभी हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं, ग्रैंड फादर, ग्रैंड मदर, उनको थोड़ा बढ़ाने, फन में मजाक, थोड़ा और कुछ करें हम ताकि सबको मजा आए. मिनिमाइज स्ट्रेस, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस थोड़ा कम करें. स्पेशल फूड इज being prepared for the occasion. और कुछ स्पेशल फूड भी बनना चाहिए जब भी हमारे घर पे कोई फंक्शन हो, कोई ओकेजन हो. दैट शुड सम स्पेशल डिशेस, different types of dishes. We also share our joys and sorrows with our relatives. Yes. Then, when there are some functions, all the relatives come at our house. We share our joys. हम हमारी सुख की भी बात बताते हैं. Sorrow means दुख की बातें बताते हैं ना. Sorrow means unhappiness. Learning from family members. What do we learn from family members? learning supports parents, grandparents, and other family members to be an active part of the children's learning, as well as becoming learners themselves. Yes, we learn with our families, and they also learn with us. वो भी चिल्ड्रन से कुछ सीखते और हम भी कुछ सीखते हैं हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स से. It includes different types of activities and take place in locations varied as school. We all go to school. Why we go to school? For studying and to learn many things. Children centers, museums, libraries. Why we go to library? We go to library to read the books. We learn a lot from our family members. Some of these are: we share our problems, and help one another in difficult times. Yes, we share our problems. We share our problems with our family members, and we help each other in difficult times. जब भी उनको कोई जरूरत होती है, that time we help each other. हम उनको मदद करते हैं. Yes, we learn good values from our family. We learn good values from our family. We learn good values from our family. जो अच्छी चीजें होती है वो हम सीखते हैं हमारे फैमिली से. We gain that. हम लेते हैं ना उसको. Yes. We share our joys and sorrows with our relatives. Yes, we share our joys and sorrows with our relatives. We share happy things also, and we share unhappiness also with our relatives. जो अच्छा होता है वो भी हम आगे बताते हैं फैमिली के साथ और रिलेटिव के साथ शेयर करते हैं. And we share sorrows also, means unhappiness. Okay, like today you have done some wrong. फिर आपको आपके फ्रेंड ने डांटा या तो मारा तो आप अनहैप्पीनेस हो गए, आप अनहैप्पी हो गए ना. दैट इज सॉरो. एंड जॉय मीन्स अपने आज बहुत मजा की, आपके साथ बहुत कुछ अच्छा हुआ. दैट इज जॉय. We like to share our responsibilities relatives, with our parents. We learn to share our responsibility with our parents. Responsibility means जवाबदारी. When we grown up, हमारी responsibility आ जाती है, हमारी जवाबदारी आ जाती है. That is meant by responsibilities. We learn to share our responsibility with our families. we learn to share. हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है वो हमें शेयर करनी चाहिए. Yes. We learn to live in peace. We learn to live in peace and harmony everywhere. We learn to live in peace. Peace means शांति. हमें ये भी सीखना चाहिए जहाँ शांत हो वहाँ भी रहना है. And harmony everywhere. और जहाँ peace means शांत, harmony means आवाज everywhere. जहाँ आवाज होता है वहाँ पे भी हमें रहना सीखना है. सीखना है. Learn means सीखना और peace means शांत. Learning from family members. Our family learning support. Yes, we get support from our parents. Yes, we learn with our parents. We learn from the parents. हम हमारे parents से बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. From grandparents and other family members. To be an active part of their children. वो अपने बच्चे के active part होता है. Children learning. They also learn with children and we also learn with parents. As well as becoming learners themselves. It includes different types of activities and take place in locations. There are different types of activities in the school, like drawing, craft, sports. These are different activities. Then children centers are also there. Museums. There are fish. आप जो म्यूजियम में जाते हो वहाँ पे अलग अलग आपको दिखाई देता है. ये फिश का जो सब different टाइप के फिश मैमल्स होते हैं, ऑक्टोपस वो सब होता है. Yes. And library. We learn a lot from our family members. हम हमारे फैमिली मेंबर से बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. Like we share our problems. हमारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती है वो हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ शेयर करना चाहिए. We should share our problems. If we will share our problems, then our parents they will solve the problems. उसका solution निकल जाता है. हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स की solution होती है. हमारे पेरेंट्स निकाल देते हैं solution and help one another in difficult times. और एक दूसरे को हेल्प करना जरूरी है जब उनको बहुत जरूर होता है तब. We learn good values from our family. Yes, we learn good values from our family. हम good manners सीखते हैं. Yes. We share our joys and sorrow with our relatives. We share our joys. जो भी हमारे साथ अच्छा होता है वो शेयर करते हैं. Sorrow, जो भी हमारे साथ बुरा होता है, that also we share with our relatives. We learn to share our responsibilities. हम जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है वो भी हमें शेयर करना चाहिए. With our parents. Responsibility means जवाबदारी. When we grown up, हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है ना, so we should learn to share with our parents. We learn to live in peace and harmony everywhere. We learn to live in peace. और जहाँ शांत होता है वहाँ पे भी रहना है और harmony में आवाज होता है वहाँ पे भी. सब जगह पे हमें एडजस्ट करना है. सब जगह पे हमें एडजस्ट करना है. Now let us recall once again today what we have studied. We have studied about my extended family. Immediate family and extended family. Immediate family means family and their children. They all are living in same house. And siblings. Parents and siblings. And extended family, uncle, aunt, cousins, nephews, they are living separately are known as extended family. Maternal relatives and paternal relatives. Maternal relatives means mother's side and paternal relatives means father's side. Special family occasions. There are some special family occasions. Yes, like birth of child, naming ceremony, marriage function, birthday party, the anniversary function, and festival and the housewarming ceremony are some occasions that all family members celebrate together. And learning from family members. Already now I have explained about learning from family members. Now we'll continue the chapter in next year.